Hey everybody, welcome back to BK and Stocks with BK, and today we're starting our portfolio at $1,000 a month, meant to educate you, which is why I have to give you a disclaimer that investing in the stock market is risky. You should talk to a financial advisor because I am not a licensed financial advisor, but here's what I would tell you is that investing in the stock market, you have to be willing to risk everything because you lose every dollar you put in. Now, the stock market is a great way to build wealth. And today we're going to look at starting a portfolio and how you balance it and diversify and do all that. But let's buy our first stock for this $1,000 portfolio. And I'm going to tell you why I'm buying GM for the very first stock. Now, GM is at $57. If we look at the chart over 3 months, it's okay. Over the last year, it's really good. I mean, this thing has taken off. If you bought it a year ago, you have been making some serious money, 217% increase. But this is why I think GM is going to keep going higher. The EV market is huge, and Tesla is definitely the biggest player, and they're ahead of everybody. But GM has earnings. GM has a great CEO. They're really making some moves, and I just think GM is the way I want to play EV. And again, price to earnings ratio, we're at 1337. GM manufactures cars all over the world, and they are committed to being EV, like going full EV. They're not going like half in. This company wants to be a fully EV company. Now, there's always a chance that they whiff and their EV line's no good, but I'm going to go with the fact that GM knows how to sell cars, they know how to sell trucks, and that they are committed to EV, and it's a big market. And the future of cars are self-driving and electric to be sure. And I love this PE ratio. And if I only have $1,000, I like the fact that I'm going to be able to go up here and buy a few stocks. Now, $100 would be 10% of my portfolio right now. I'm going to be adding $1,000 each month. And I've decided that I want this to be a little bit more, about 17% of my portfolio for about 173%. Now, just to show you all, I'm buying this stock before the market is open tomorrow morning. It could open up lower or higher, but I'm not trying to time the market. I want to buy this stock and own it for a long time. So if I end up paying 160 or 180, then that's okay. I am in it for the long haul. Yes, news could come out tomorrow. I could need to cancel this order before it starts. Could totally happen. You should be aware. But I'm going to go ahead and put the order in because I believe that this is a stock I want to own. Which brings me to the second stock I want to own, which is DraftKings. And I am literally starting out my portfolio like this for a reason. I'm about the future. I'm investing in the future. And DraftKings is how I'd like to play that. And we know that gambling will be a thing in the future, just like EV will be. 21 states are voting on sports legalization in 2022. I like DraftKings. It is a big holding in my other account. And if I'm starting a new account and I'm young and I'm looking at the future, this is something I want to own. Now, for me, I believe in this stock. I believe in this company, everything, but I don't want to risk everything. So I'm going to do a little less than GM. We're looking at 2, which is going to be around $125 again. Could go up, could go down. I really like DraftKings for this year and going forward. Some people have, their analysts have price targets of $100, and I want to get in on that while I can. And probably one I'm going to buy a little of every single month. Some I might not, but this one I'm definitely buying every single month. So we'll start out like that. Those are the first 2 stocks I'm buying. And as again, it's going to show you I have $1,000 because these orders are in. On my next video, I'm going to show you what it looks like once those stocks are purchased, how the account changes. Because orders are placed, the market is only open, Monday through Friday unless it's a holiday. There's some shows you can watch in the morning to see how things are going. But in this account, this long-term investing account, and if I'm not doing options on this yet, but I'm going to, I'm trying not to time things. I'm making my core positions now for the long haul. Thanks for watching. This is BK. See you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe.